Hey guys, this week from Amazon, I got a Chicken Coop Heater, which sounds pretty funny, but it can actually be used for your pets as well. This is a 140 watt energy efficient design. So it is you just plug it right in here, and it comes with a little control right on it to turn it on or off. It even comes with this nice little handle here that you just slide right in place so that you can carry it, store it easily. And then it also comes with these little stands here. So these will also just click right into the bottom. Both of those right in, and it gives you actually a stand. So what's nice about this is it can be used as just a stand, so it can sit upright on its own, or it comes with all of the gear to mount it to a wall as well. So it can keep all of your chickens warm in a chicken coop in freezing temperatures. Or what I'm gonna use it for is right next to our little cat house here for our cat. So you just go ahead and plug it right in, click it on. All right, so on the dial here, there's actually a control so that you can not have it as high or as turned up on the temperature. But this panel here has a nice a smart temperature guide, so it'll remind you when it's getting a little bit too warm. But because of this nice flat design, I can set it right up against the wall here. I can put it right through the front when he's laying in the bed. And this panel will just radiate some of that heat to warm up your animal. So this panel is perfect for when my cat is inside his little box here to keep him nice and warm when we have our AC blasting in the house. Keeps him nice and cozy.
All right, so this is the chicken coop heating panel, and it has 5 different times you can set it for: 6, 8, 10, 12, or continuous. And so basically you turn it on or off. So this is on, and it automatically defaults to level 2, which it will tell you is 149 degrees. But if you wanted to adjust the temperature, you just go through the levels. You can come over here to the time and do, this is continuous, or you can do the 6, 8, 10, 12, continuous. And I have had it on less than a minute, and it is warm. It does say that if the temperature outside, or the temperature that is that this product is in, the environment in, it reaches the set temperature, which would be 131, 149. Let's hope it never does that. Then it'll automatically shut off. So it's good that it doesn't overheat in an enclosed area, let's say, if that's were the case. I love that this cord, where is it, is so long. I mean, I have it, I mean, it's probably a good 9 feet. I have it all the way over to my outlet over there, and it is a very sturdy, you can tell, no birds are going to be getting through that. This is nice.
What do you have to do?
This is a chicken coop heater. Keeps your chickens warm in the winter, so they'll keep laying, and take care of the babies so the babies don't die and get cold. And as you can see, it comes with very good instructions. and it has a nice heavy duty cord, and you just plug it in. See, it just plugs in. Flip that over. Here's your control panel and your timer, however you want it. And it comes with these legs, or you can hang it up. And never used one, so looking forward to see how the chickens do.
Nice and warm.